and everybody involved in bringing this innovative idea of bringing innovations in mainstream. I would like to thank Malik sir, Pradhan sir, and everybody. And I would like to present this idea which I had started. And this idea is lot of credit goes to the lockdown to finalize and conceptualize and finalizing this idea. So the background of this started with this that simulator is an excellent tool for initial learning curve and standardizes our steps in laparoscopic suturing. But the commonly available simulators cost around 12 to 15,000 without instruments and 18 to 20,000. That's what idea we have got. And it's a bit cumbersome, not much, but you need a fixed settings, you need a OT setup or at least a OPD like setup and locked workspace. And the vision, the cameras, optics, most of them, these are actually VGA cameras and not up to the mark. So the idea arrived when I was watching these photographs from my phone and streamed it to my television. So just as I was thinking whether I could incorporate this idea and use it in laparoscopic training and make a simulator out of it, which will help largely in laparoscopic simulators. So what I needed a smartphone, which everybody has a very good smartphone, either an iPhone or good quality. Most of the phones, modern day phones now have a 4K recording, HD recording. So vision, there is nowadays no limit. You can get excellent visualization. Then you need a streaming device, which can be either Apple TV or Amazon Stick or a Chrome Sticks. And I think most of these things are available at everybody's home. This streaming is now coming up in a big way in India. Then you can use any available light source, which is a LED light, a laparoscopy box. Meanwhile, I made a simple box, which I had a medium-sized box, and some hand instruments. So these are the instruments. This on the left side is the LED source, which I use for magnification loops. Then this is the Apple TV source. There's some hand instruments which I already had. And this is how I'll just play a short video of 2 minutes, which will clear out all the ideas. So this streaming device nowadays are available everywhere. This is the small latch, and it was very helpful in adjusting the view of the smartphone and view of the streaming. So we will discuss the advantages later on. This is how it started. Box trainer. What we have done is we have made a cutout here, a box, and we have attached that mobile holder here. This is our LED source. We have punched a few holes in the box so that we can pass these hand instruments inside this, like this, like this. So after that, it's very easy. We have to connect your phone to the streaming device. This phone is connected with the TV already, with that Apple TV and streaming device. So with my mobile, I'm just connecting this on. And once I keep it on and place the mobile in the slot, once you do that, you just have to put your camera on, twist the phone, and keep it like this. So we have already kept it here. So as you can see slight amount of this vision on this camera. So this hole is completely covering. So there is no total. It is just looking like a laptop simulator. Whatever we are doing here now will be automatically streamed. Now, if you can see the colors and everything, perfectly ready now. The advantage of this system is that, see, if you are struggling with the vision and if you want to put it, you have to just do this. You have to just zoom it from here. This is a very simple application, but it can be very widely implemented by a lot of people, and most of the things are available at home. This is what the purpose of video and the purpose of the innovation.
Dr. Ashish, can you mute the sound of that video so that we can hear you clearly?
So that you can do everything from the phone. Like, this is a very simple streaming. This is a safe streaming device showing everything. There are a lot of advantages. So it is a no cost. Like, everybody is having these streaming devices, mobile phones, everything is at home. What we need is just a simple box and few modifications. And zoom in, zoom out is a very important function which we can do. And lot of the times while using a simulator, we have to put the box up, adjust the screen, then put it again. So this is very easily solved with this system. Then 4K and HD camera is there. Excellent colors are there. The colors which you will get will be as good as your smartphone. And it is again a wire-free and hassle-free. So the entire TV unit is on one side and your console, so the laparoscopy unit and the box is on one side. Very easily possible with this. So what are the scope which we are developing? We are in a process of designing a better box and a shell which will be standard. We want to make it so easy that you have to just get a box, put the phone on it, and you don't need any other thing for microscopic. Other thing is we will simplify the connections and illuminations and make it totally wire free and plug and play model. We are also in a process of designing a mobile app so that whatever lines you get while doing these laparoscopic suturing, and while the dots that will also be completely screen, which will be eventually be making it. And we want to make it so easy to assemble that every surgeon in training uses it with minimum things which are needed for this, just like a box or something. I think that's it. It was a very simple innovation, and we have a lot of things we will be taking it forward. But the idea behind it was to make it available at everyone's place, at every training, at every hospital. So a simple training can make it a laparoscopy training.
Very nice idea, Ashish. Thank you very much. That was wonderful. I think now every resident coming into every department has perforce got to buy one streaming device before he joins the department. Wonderful idea. Thank
Yes.
you.